Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and spicy meatballs. These are perfect for appetizers for any party. They're cooked in the oven, so there's no deep frying. They're very easy to make. If you're going to grind your own chicken, cut the chicken up into about 1-inch thick pieces and grind them up in the food processor. Don't overfill the food processor. It's really fast and easy to grind up meat in the food processor. We'll need grated garlic and onion. Since I have my food processor out, I'm going to mince my onion in here and the garlic. With the processor running, just put the garlic cloves right into the chute. Put the onion in. And I'll pulse it a couple of times. And now the onion's finely minced. To the ground chicken, I'll add some salt, ground black pepper, a large egg, and the onion and garlic. Mix this up. Add some breadcrumbs. And the mixture is ready. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. If you don't want to cook the meatballs in the oven, you can always fry them on the stovetop. Put a little water on your hands. Take a tablespoon of the meat mixture and just roll it in your palm to make a ball. It'll go even faster if you have a tablespoon size ice cream scoop. Put the meatballs on a baking sheet. If you use parchment paper, there's going to be less cleanup. This recipe makes 28 tablespoon size meatballs. If you're having a large party, you can easily double this recipe. Bake in the heated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Take the meatballs out of the oven. You see they come right off the parchment. Now we can make the sauce. For the sauce, I'll juice these oranges. I'll also be using soy sauce, ketchup, and sriracha. If you don't have sriracha, use another spicy chili sauce. Apple cider vinegar and dark brown sugar. Pour the orange juice and water into a pan. Apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup and chili sauce, and brown sugar. Bring this up to a boil. Once the sauce has come up to a boil, lower the heat to simmer and add the meatballs. Simmer the meatballs in the sauce for 20 minutes. Stir them in between. The sauce will reduce and get thicker as the meatballs continue to simmer. When they get to this stage with very little sauce left in the pan, you could turn the heat off. The sauce coats each meatball nicely. The meatballs are sweet, a little sour, a little spicy. They're absolutely delicious. Give these a try and let me know how you like them. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.